All right, we're back again. Let's find out what happened to this radish because he feels like he is, well, I don't know. Let's look at him. He's looking pretty sad here. Stop, radish, stop, cried the mariachis and the burro and Don Pedro. You'll get so worn and torn, so dry and stiff, you'll fall apart. The radish stopped moving long enough to catch his breath, and just long enough for Don Pedro to scoop it up and put it in its sack. Everyone followed Don Pedro back to his kitchen. They watched as he sprayed and carved the radish into a queen with a crown and running shoes and a very big mouth. They carved her into a queen? Wow. At the contest, Don Pedro took first prize. He shared the prize money with all his friends. Whoops, 2 pages, not good. The cook made dinner. The mariachis showed off their new sombreros, and the burro got a haircut. That night, Don Pedro fell asleep, happily dreaming. And the queen, well, you know, she was radish. Well, she dried up and was thrown away because after all, radishes don't last forever. So I want to show you something really quick while we're on here. So I'm going to click on Finish Book. And this is from a site called Epic. And while I have this on here, let's see if I can make it any bigger. No, I can show part of it. So this is what this looks like. Here's Epic, and I'm going to go to Home so I can just show you that. Okay. So this tells me that we can do more things with this. So I'm going to be sending you an invitation so that you can sign up for Epic and you can read some great books using Epic. Another way to get good books.